Hey, Crypto Growth Fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Stronghold SHX, the golden age. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, you can also check out the official Crypto Growth partners. For the exchange, we've got MEXC. You can follow the link in the description box below for rebates, discounts, offers, benefits, and lowest fees. So do check it out. And as far as the wallet is concerned, you can check out Decent. They've got their remarkable products, their biometric wallet, which has got an astonishing $30 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got a phenomenal $99 off only if you follow the link in the description box below. By the way, folks, Decent supports 3,000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets, including Stellar. So do check it out. Anyways, let's see what's happening with SHX in real time, what the community is saying, what the official handles are saying. Let's find out. For the moment, the price of SHX, along with a lot of different projects, is falling, guys. So let's see what the community is saying. How are they holding up? What's happening? So look at this crypto mentality. My friend over here says that SHX is primarily designed as the liquidity tool to send and receive value across modern payment networks. USDC tokenized assets, SHX is built on Stellar. Obviously, we all know that Stellar are really a great network, and I really like it for what it has offered up until this point and what potential it has for the future. Therefore, as a liquidity tool, the price of SHX needs to be high for it to be efficient. Just a moment, let me play this again. Yeah. Stronghold is launching a cryptocurrency that is insured by the Federal Deposit Insurance, and IBM will explore how to use it on its own IBM blockchain platform. The move is aimed at instilling more trust in cryptocurrency and increasing its usefulness based on the technical advantages of blockchain, which is a decentralized, secure, and transparent ledger. Although IBM was involved with the Stronghold USD, and being associated with IBM in and of itself is really huge, to be honest, regardless of how one gets connected with it. So this is great.
My bets, Wall Street, my trades, balls deep.
Furthermore, look at this. Stronghold is a financial institution building an asset-agnostic global payment and trade ecosystem. Talking about an ecosystem, people think that it is just merely a rewards token. Folks, it goes way ahead of that. The use case goes ahead of that, folks. The Stronghold USD dollar or stablecoin is federally insured by Signature Bank, a New York-based commercial bank. I do not know. Update. Stronghold said it decided to go with Prime Trust instead. Okay. Stronghold will use the Stellar Network's blockchain protocol to issue and transact Stronghold USD. Although this is we have yet to see what happens with Stronghold USD and the ecosystem, because I think we're early and we're waiting for proper regulatory clarity before anything happens. As the Stronghold is based in USA, it will take a time, although we are USA is doing the right step, is taking the right steps towards mass adoption, towards regulatory clarity, folks. So projects like Stronghold, Stellar, XRP, they can benefit from it.
Logo, glasses, photo.
Look at this. While providing access to liquidity through its institutional exchange services and the custodial relationship with Prime Trust, Stronghold also announced a new collaboration with IBM to explore uses for Stronghold USD within the blockchain business network. Awesome. IBM and the likes are now getting are interested in blockchain, are interested in digital assets, these new technologies, folks. So this is good news. We've seen news from JP Morgan, BlackRock, and other financial institutions as well. A lot of central banks throughout the globe, the governments, and a lot of financial firms, institutions.
I don't even care about the profits. I just want to help put a nail in the coffin. I said, don't care. Been there. Can't try it. Wall Street, beware.
This is great, folks. Anyways, let's see what else is happening with SHX. Weight trades 888, SHX and VELO, both in a sea of red, I think. Okay, look at this, 0.01394. In comparison to a lot of different projects, as you can see, VELO and SHX are both in the green at the moment. 8% plus, although this 22 minutes ago, I do not know what is happening at the moment. But yeah. From a few days, to be fair, from a few days ago, SHX is still down. I think it was close to 2 cents, folks. And let's hope that closely, in a short while, it goes back to those levels again. Let's hope that Stronghold does that. VELO at the moment is doing well as well. Okay, what is Mind Crypto saying? If you remember Mind Crypto, we have covered him in our Q&T videos as well, and I've seen that he's also bullish on SHX. Look at this. SHX not long now before the sell pressure is reduced on Ethereum chain. Stronghold.eth now only holding 12.5 million SHX. The large account down to 39 million SHX. During this last dip, they've been selling with the blood. 12 million SHX sold. Soon it'll be gone. I, for one, know its value. This is great. SHX price manipulation. Yeah. SHX hits 2 cents in the next 8 days, or I will give away 10,000 SHX on live. Let's see. Let's hope for it. Let's hope for the best. Look at this. SHX has the biggest potential in this American golden age. So let's hope that this golden age is coming soon for a lot of regulatory projects, the utility projects, and the ones that are focused on compliance and providing real-world value, real-world use case. Projects like SHX, VELO, and the likes. The fact it is so under the radar shows how early we are to such an asset. Okay, so let's hope that the projects that we cover, Algorand, as well as these other projects, they do well along with SHX. Some technicals over here from the aggregate. Looking for a bounce right here for SHX. Let's hope that the price bounces off from these levels. Yeah, seems like a good level to bounce from. But if it breaks through this, folks, I think that it will come down and it might test these levels as well, the potential. Okay, so yeah, it can come down to 0.009 as well if this trend line is not respected, by the way. But let's hope for the best. Let's be a bit optimistic and positive. Let's hope that this is respected. Francisco Almeida. Loud and clear. ACH system. Know what you hold. The biggest secret on crypto. Stronghold advances the ACH network through innovative, strategic enhancements such as embedded payments for consumers to connect their bank accounts to pay by bank for both online and in-store transactions. So not only in the online realm, it is also there to provide a use case in the physical world as well, folks. It integrates with point of sale and e-commerce software for a seamless checkout experience. This is great, folks. Listen till the end. ACH. Let me open this up. Seems interesting.
aspects of it. We were very sensitive in the 118th Congress about the law enforcement aspects of digital assets, not any different than we are about any other means of transfer of or payment method, whether you're talking about cash or the ACH system or real-time payments. This is an importance to the security aspects of it.
Look at this. Interesting connection to these as well. Stronghold's original name was Citadel. Interesting Citadel wallet collaboration with Hedera. Hedera connected to FEDNOW. You can see a lot of community members trying to connect the dots and trying to to basically prove a point that SHX indeed is going towards that promised land to achieve the best possible outcome for finance and the likes. Meet Sean and Stronghold co-founder Sean Bennet on the future of compliance, merchant offerings, and SHX. While in medical school, Sean became interested in digital currencies and blockchain after recognizing his mother's arduous process to send money to her family in the Philippines. Now, this is what inspiration for Stronghold is coming from, folks. Now, this is really this is a highly sensitive topic that a lot of people cannot send money to their loved ones throughout the globe, and it is a really hard process, folks. I've been there. I've been a part of this system, and it is really outdated, taking so much time for to send money from A country to B country. 5 business days and even more sometimes. I mean, if you're not lucky, you can even take more days, folks, even 2 weeks. So this is now how it should be working. In 2013, he started building on Ripple, and in 2014, he dropped out of med school to build the Stellar Network's first stablecoin. Sean co-founded Stronghold, a payments infrastructure company that secured IBM as its inaugural customer. When Sean co-founded Stronghold with Tammy Camp in 2017, their original project name was Citadel. With a logo and branding already in place, they searched for a similar name and landed on Stronghold. A self-proclaimed cat and dog person, Sean supports Stronghold's technological development and long-term planning. And we are all here for the long haul as well, folks. We just hope that these projects are here to change the landscape of finance, and they're here to change the game. Let's hope that Stronghold achieves it. And we are looking for holding or the vision of Stronghold in the next decade or even more. At least I'm looking at the developments in the lens and perspective of a long-term investment. So let's hope that Stronghold achieves what it wants to achieve. What sets Stronghold apart? This seems like a really great article, by the way. It's so sad that we couldn't find what Sean has to say. What sets Stronghold apart? There are countless payment providers in the current financial system. Stronghold's niche, folks, focusing on merchants, micro payments. It can be huge, folks. Anyways, what do you guys think about Stronghold? Do you think that it can certainly go towards the mass adoption and achieve the golden age for digital assets? I would really like your opinions, folks. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Look at the connections over here, folks. Swift, ISO 20022, FedNow, Stellar, Ripple, Natcha, ACH Payments, IBM, WorldWire, Hyperledger. Stronghold can certainly achieve the golden age, folks. What do you guys think about it? Anyways, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.